Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a nice day. Hope the weather is decent where you are. Hopefully warm. We're not quite there yet in PA. Cold day today. I think last night we were in the 30s again. Today is very windy and chilly, and I'm like, where is the spring? I think Mother Nature is confused. I'm over it. So today I have the Louise box, and it's a big box this time. And it says, officially in my birthday era. Cake it on, close your eyes and make a wish. Cute, cute box. And it's a decent sized box. Comes in an outer bag. This does come from the United Kingdom. This box, because it's a bigger box, it seems much heavier, was $53. So that the prices vary, dependent. Ooh, I think we have another. Okay, so we got good wrapping. Looks like. Okay, I'm trying to alleviate the lack of space. Oh, nice. Let's get rid of that. So here we have this. And this is a brush set. I don't have. Oh, and it's a magnetized top. And there's 3 brushes in there. I don't have any brushes from Louise. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Are they nice? Here's the brush. I don't know if I'm going to keep them or not. Am I? I don't know, but presentation is adorable. Magnetized. It's like a balloon. That's adorable. Love that. And then we have 3 items here. I wish we would get a card. I wish they would start doing that. We have 3 products here. Let me see what these are. So I have Butter Queen. What's this one? Life of the Party and Chocolate Pudding. But what are we? So this has to be a lip cosmetic base. Hydrating formula. Stays put all day. It says achieve the perfect pout. So this one is Butter Queen. I would assume that these tones, yeah. So it's one of the, squeeze it right there. I don't know if I can pull that one off or not. So we have that one. This is the chocolate pudding one. It's talking about browns. In my last video, I showed you that I have the Huda Beauty on, so you can see the chocolate. I could wear that. I don't mind the browns. I mean, I love brown nail polish, so I guess you just have to, the first one I'm not sure about, and then this one is Life of the Party, and let's see what you look like. I mean, I won't know until I put them on my lips, honestly. Oh, that can, I don't know, that's a little off color for me. Could they be a base for another lipstick? These 2 N ones, yes. The brown I could wear. That's a given. I mean, I have a brown on today from Huda Beauty. So let's see what's in the, oh, came in this big thing here. Wow. I just need to look at it before I show you guys. Look, the palette. All the sprinkles are moving around inside there. Oh, that is so cute. How does this open? It does open at the top. How cute. Packaging beyond an A+, honestly. I mean, their packaging is stunning. Oops, I don't want to tear that. Let's take you out. Wow. Okay. So it's a white, like a white case. Is there... What is that for? Okay, I don't know how this opens, but we're going to figure it out. Is it sealed? I don't think so. Let me just struggle here to figure out how this opens. I'm not quite sure. Oh, got it. Wow. I have to try to block this mirror somehow. With what? Is this just like a one? I don't know. Why is there this tab here? Oh, I get it. I'm going to stand up and show you this palette. Okay. Hopefully I don't blind you with the mirror. So I'm coming behind. So you can see this bottom row here pulls out. Oh, comes out all together. So you have pinks, neutrals, and it slides into that drawer right there. I'm just trying not to kill you with the mirror here. Okay. So then you have, you know, some greens, light blues, purples. Wow. And then the mirror is stunning. Oh, I'm going to knock my lights over. That is cute. And then there's the front. I think that's cute. Oh, how adorable. Oh, I have a fuzz on me now. So let me see this. I wouldn't use the pinks. But the neutrals in this, you know, possibly. That's a stunning palette. And here, some of the light greens, I don't know, the little bit, the purples sometimes, yes. And there's some neutrals in different shades. And then here, this is absolutely stunning. And this is the star of the box. So this is palette for eye and face. So I would assume some of these maybe you could use for blush. I guess you could. You know, sometimes, you know, browns, if you don't have like anything to fill your brows in, you could use like if you have brown hair, let's say my color hair, and you wanted to use, you know, a brown shadow, you could, you know, you could do that if you, I mean, if you're in a pinch, or if you like to use powder for your brows. I mean, there's lots of things you can do. This is adorable and worth the price of admission right there. The brushes are adorable. And then you have the 3 lip products, which are right here. So not bad. I mean, that was a heavy box, but that palette is heavy. I'm going to keep this box too because this is really cute. I'll store the palette in there. The rest of the box, I think that's everything in the box, correct? Yes, we'll get rid of the box. I missed the recycle by a day, so then all this has to sit for another week. But I definitely will keep this box to keep the palette in. That is cute. I mean, almost some of these are almost like they're too pretty to use. Like I put my bulk palettes away just because, you know, I just decided not to keep them out and put them in my drawer. I have used a few of the shades. It's a nice formula. I don't know, like, I think I would use a good majority, like the pinks, no, and some of the purples, but sometimes purple is nice for like under eye, you know, just a light dusting. It's like, I would never use anything too dark to darken my outer V corner, but sometimes like a dark purple is pretty, depending on what, you know, what else you're doing. To deepen that versus like using a dark brown or a black, you can use like a deep purple because, you know, that is very dark pigmented to start with. But I'm always happy with this one. I'm so glad that I started to get it. I don't think I've gotten a box yet and this is box number 9, I think, from them, where I was so disappointed, like I wanted to get rid of it. I just find it so interesting and intriguing. So let me know your thoughts too. Does anybody get the P. Louise budget box? I don't know why they call it a budget box. It's really not a budget friendly box. I mean, $50 some is a lot, but the packaging and the palettes are so worth it. Like if you are a palette collector or an eyeshadow buff that you just love having, you know, at one point I had hundreds of palettes until I started giving them away. I'm like, this is ridiculous. I'm never going to touch these. Now I don't keep anywhere near, but I love the P. Louise stuff. I did share one P. Louise palette, I think, and I have another one to share. You know, just regular palettes. I can't keep everything. So, but the lips and the brushes, I might keep the brushes because I don't have any of her brushes. But these lips are interesting. I wish they would give us a choice in colors, personally. I know Ice Cream Beauty will give you a choice if there's different shades or 2 palettes. It's an easy email and go in and pick what you want. And this way you get what you want for your money. Like, I appreciate that so much from Ice Cream Beauty, and I wish they would do this with stuff like this, because not everybody can pull off these shades. I know for sure one is a definite, the brown. The other two might just have to be a base and let it dry, and then put a lip on top of it. I can play around with that and see what I think. But once again, let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.